In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up automations on Airtable in just 5 minutes. If you've ever found yourself overwhelmed by repetitive tasks or wished you could streamline a part of your workflow, automations in Airtable are a game changer that can help you achieve just that. So let's dive in and set up your first automation together. First, head over to the Airtable website. You can easily find it by typing their URL into your web browser. Once you're there, look for the sign in button. If you already have an account, go ahead and log in using your credentials. If you're new to Airtable, you may need to sign up for an account first. Having a registered account is essential as it will allow you to access all of the platform's features. After you're signed in, navigate to your Airtable home. This is typically where all your projects, or bases as Airtable calls them, are displayed. Your homepage is the jumping off point for everything you'll do on the platform. From here, choose the base you would like to work with. If you're setting up a new project, you might need to create a new base by clicking on the option to do so. Once you've selected your base, the next step is to access the Automations section. This is where the magic happens. Look for the Automations tab, usually found on the top or side of the interface. Clicking on it will open up the Automation Setup area, where you can begin creating new automated actions. To kick things off, you'll need to add a trigger. In the world of automations, a trigger is an event that starts the automation process. Think of it as pulling the starting lever. Click on Add Trigger to select an event that will activate your automation. It could be anything from a new record being created, a specific field being updated, or any other activity that you're monitoring. As you set up your trigger, consider what kind of tasks you want to automate. This will guide your trigger selection and the actions that follow. With your trigger set, think about what you want to occur once the trigger is activated. This might include sending an email, updating a field, or generating a notification, among others. After selecting your trigger, finish by testing your setup. You want to ensure that everything is working smoothly and that the automation behaves as expected once the trigger is activated. Don't forget to hit the save button to confirm your automation settings. And there you have it, a simple and effective way to set up automations on Airtable. With these few steps, you can now save time and focus more on what truly matters. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope you find these insights helpful in optimizing your workflow.